Bitcoin is at 98,500 today, so we are vibing, big time vibing. But I don't really care about this. I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna go on to the good stuff. Ethereum straight away. What's it saying? It's holding around this region. It seems like this region is resistance, and it needs to start breaking out and doing something because I don't want it to hold here and break down. I want it to go higher. And my obviously favorite meme coin of the whole bull run, because Ethereum is pumping, this is pumping a little bit as well. It is coming towards the max strength, but I think it's easily going to flip that, come back down and go up again, hopefully anyway. So if we move on to the altcoin season index, sitting at 43 today, which is almost touching the recent highs that we've had, but that also acted as resistance. But hopefully if we break this, we might actually get a mini, if not a major altcoin season, which is what we want to see. And if we look at the rainbow chart, this is actually very interesting. We're starting to head upwards to the accumulate region, and this looks very similar to when the COVID crash happened. There could be a major crash, like a black swan event, although it is after the halving, and usually we do fly upwards. And in my opinion, that's very unlikely, but it could still happen. And if that does happen, we'll get a massive rally after that. But we're also heading into a recession, so we'll see about that as well. Hopefully, there's no mistakes or problems heading up towards around about 160k. So if we have a little look at Twitter, Elio Trade is saying, my real thesis for this cycle is that we're alright. BTC will, Moon, ETH will, Sol will, memes will, gaming will, AI will. You might even get a girlfriend. I don't think so. I think Sol will, ETH will, BTC will, and memes will. The rest is just cope. Meme coins are king. Utility coins are. Do you understand? That's what he's saying, bro. That's what I'm saying as well. I agree. Remember, no dips. Yo, look at this photo, bro. This photo is hard. These lot are going to be pumping my bags. Pump 'em, G. Pump 'em. No dips. When your whole family is congratulating you because Bitcoin is almost at 100k, but you still haven't made a dime because your net worth is in alts. Bro, you need to be holding the right alts, so your alts are bleeding. There's way too many. Normalize being extremely bullish on a project long term, but still dumping your whole bag during alt season on NPCs because you understand market cycles. Facts, bro. Making money over everything. You have to. You're not holding that thing to zero. No way. When you ask when alt season, just remember retail isn't going to FOMO into BTC. They're going to FOMO into alts. Alt season is coming. Almost 100k BTC, 3k ETH. You are crazy if you don't think Ethereum will go nowhere but up from here. And it will. It is going to fly, bro. It's playing catch up. Even Sol's doing dirt on ETH. Making money will turn you into a geek. That's why hobbies are important. Go to the gym, start boxing, learn to DJ, paint canvas, gamble, do whatever. Just make sure you don't turn into a geek. And it's important that you do things, especially in this bull market. If you're looking at the charts all day, you're cooked. I don't do that. I know what I've bought and I know they're going up. Don't get me wrong, I look at the charts here and there when I'm at the gym and things like that, but there's no point looking at that all day. Do things. Have fun. Caswell 100 times from these prices to reach $10. If Casper reaches $10, I think it's at 15.8 cents today. That's crazy returns. This is just numbers though. How does Mr. Ironman know? Ironman, Mr. Ironman, can you please tell me how you know that? Don't forget that Trump promised a Bitcoin reserve for the USA, don't you see? The moment that happens, BTC will teleport to an unknown number as billionaires, banks, sovereign funds, and nations rush to secure their claim of this newfound gold. There's no going back. 3k ETH is nothing but a gift. Excellent Christmas gifting idea. When you unwrap your gift by December 25th, you shall be greeted by 6k. That guy's extremely bullish. ETH ecosystem super cycle is coming. You heard from here first. The plan. Everyone's got these weird plans and we're about to talk through them because everyone thinks they know what Bitcoin's going to do. Break 100k, flash pump to 120, correction back to 100, aggressive pump to 144. Trump announces BTC strategic reserve straight up to 333. Trump makes crypto cap tax gain 0%, parabolic to 420k. Every company adds BTC to treasury, blow off top 666k. You, my friend, are blown. Facts, bro. 666k. Maybe in like 20 years. Beat Altcoin ID and perspective local top around 100k, goes back to retest 75, then melts up to 150 plus. That is more feasible. That's what I'm thinking. Flash pump to 120, top of the year, end of the year 420, bro. These lot are tapped. ETH MVRV Z-score is barely out of the undervaluation zone. In previous cycles, Z-score for Ethereum peaked at 6.5 to 7.1 during cycle tops. The Z-score is only 0.95 right now. Last cycle, when Z-score was this low, it was November 2020 and ETH was $450. It went 11x after that. We got a long way to go. I think we have as well. It seems like it's diminishing returns. Literally diminishing returns though. So I don't think it's going to go as high as people may think. But it's got an ETF, so there's a chance. Extreme Greed, 94. That's crazy talk, bro. So far as I can see, this is a classic parabola, you mean. Do not see the difference with hyperwave. Hyperwave or parabola. All hyperwaves are parabolas, but very few parabolas qualify as hyperwaves. Hyperwaves are observed on the weekly time frame. Week 1 trend line is drawn across the top of the range, with all subsequent trend lines connecting the lowest low closes on the weekly time frame. So I think this is a hyperwave. So as soon as it cuts back on the weekly time frame, so he thinks it's going to fly basically. Bitcoin, he thinks it's going to fly. When wave 4, it's going to fly upwards until it doesn't, and then we're crashing. Nobody's ready for what ETH is about to do. Can you do something? It's gonna crazy candle coming. A man has 7 ways out of depression: fix diet, make money, hit gym, believe in God, chase purpose, build a loving family. This guy still thinks it's going down, man. Absolutely crazy talk. Still thinks it's going down. And it could. I just don't see it. Everyone waiting for 100k BTC doesn't realise that the play is Ethereum at the lowest ETH BTC RSI level in history. The risk reward is unmatched. The market doesn't realise it, but it will soon. Yeah, look how low that is on the RSI. Japan agrees on new stimulus package of 141.8 billion. Money print goes brr. They're switching them on, man. They're switching them on. Now the USA got to do the same. Cassiv's wife changing money. I see what you did there, bro. Reminder that Ethereum, he's talking about upgrades. Reminder that Ethereum sat at $800 for multiple weeks last cycle while BTC flew past 20k all-time high and beyond. Then it did a teleport 6x to 4,500. Fasten your seatbelts. A global money supply will explode to the upside. On the same time, all the capital in the world is getting interested in Bitcoin. Bullish, man. Dominance is about to break down. We're witnessing the last dips before altcoins go parabolic as well. Many will regret selling too early. Others will regret being out of the market. I think this is worse though, selling too early, because you know you had it. My advice is to let the positions run. Extreme greed. I think the metric is broken. I don't see very much hype, euphoria or FOMO like in 2021. Doesn't matter, bro. The indicator doesn't usually lie. Nobody scammed retail more than Solana. Sol's market cap almost doubled, yet its price still didn't make all-time high. This is the definition of inflation, a hidden tax every Solana fanboy pays. Get me out of Solana, bro. What a garbage token. That's crazy. That's because they just release tokens. This is why, I don't like Sui and I don't like Solana, because they may look like they're going up in price, but they just print tokens out of thin air. Allianz bought 24.75 of MicroStrategy's corporate 2031 bond. They want a little bit of exposure too. Something huge is about to happen. Is Casper on Binance Web3 wallet and Trust wallet now as well? Digital silver. I like what he did there. He thinks he's second to Bitcoin. And it is. Amexi is still dumping. Bro, if it's still at 15.1, might be an opportunity. We're still early. Blue, last cycle's coin all-time high valuations. Green, this cycle's coin valuations. 2025 will be the year of meme coins. We're still early, don't get me wrong. On these though, what are you going to make realistically? A 10x? What's the point? It's not even worth the risk. Everything is pushing people to meme coins. There's no coincidence. This is the meme coin super cycle. Rising price of everyday goods, AI coming for all jobs, accelerating wealth and income inequality, rising loneliness and mental health issues, few remaining ways to make it, altcoin gains hijacked by VCs, people spending more and more time online, crypto success stories this cycle are coming from memes. Fact. It's difficult for a normal person to buy a whole Bitcoin. Now it's almost impossible. They will go for alts, cheaper Bitcoins. They ain't Bitcoins, bro. We are so much closer to the end of the cycle than the beginning. Agreed. More silent, all-time high ever, not one post. Remember, once we hit 100k, we might correct as it's a physiological level, but once BTC clearly breaks, it's uncharted territory. Let's look at what this guy's tweeting, because he don't speak anything but facts. You are fading my call, you are fading on Mikami, the baddest meme coin in the game, the only crypto that's green. Do you want to be rich? You could have been up already. Now send it to 100 mil with haste. Look at this. Always when the market seems to be red, that's when it moves. It's weird. The best performing coins are cooling down. The dog coins that did nothing for years are moving. Know how to wait your turn. Too many newbies cry over their coins not moving as strongly as another sector having its moment. Then sell their coin to ape into the outperforming sector, which in turn into their underperforming sector. Meanwhile, the coin you sold becomes the outperformer. Stop. Your time will come if you deserve it, and it will miss if you don't. It depends what you're holding to. In 35 days, SHIB token went from 21 million to 22 billion. Literally 35 days. 35 days. That's how quickly it moves. Alt season likely starts today. Well, I hope he's right. Few have actually experienced the trenches. That is disgusting. Actually disgusting. Look at that. The state of that. How long was that? Probably years. We've finally been handed a golden bull market and people are purposely jumping in the trenches to get rugged by teenagers. Dominance is dropping hard. Also pumped 4 to 10%. It was only 1% of BTC dominance. Things are about to get crazy. Managing my meme coin portfolio. Outperformed your favourite stock market trader in a day. Take notes. Damn.